Okay guys, this is a 2005 Mustang GT 4.6 liter engine, 3 valve. If you have that ticking problem, this could be it. Hope this helps. Okay, if you have a look at the first rocker arm on the right, you can see some scratches on it and the bearing is jammed.
Ooh, not good.
So this is what causes that ticking noise. You can see the marks, they're clear.
Stuck for good, not moving. Got some scratches on the cam.
Okay, as you can see, the bearing in the middle is jammed. It's completely jammed, and I got some marks on the rocker itself and some minor scratches on the cam, but that can be fixed and the rocker arm needs to be changed. So hope this helps and hope I don't have a problem after this. Okay, over here this is the new one. That's the old one. This is the new one. Get this one out. Made in USA. And that's the part number. That's the part number and everything. Let's try and let's see what happens. Couldn't find the original, but this is made in USA. The roller over here is moving, and the old one it's completely stuck, and that's because of the lack of oil. That's what caused this thing. I didn't have enough oil in my engine. That's my fault for being careless. So let's go on. Okay, the rocker arm is back in and the cam was polished and everything is working fine. You should be careful with timing if you do this, and after this video I changed the oil to something thicker. I went to 20 to 50 oil, which is better, I know.